Hello everyone, how are you all? So today I thought to make white chicken korma recipe for you. So let's begin with the process. Just add 2 bay leaves and 3 to 4 cardamoms in the oil and with 1 chopped big onion, and just saute it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And then you need 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and just add it in the onions and stir it well. Now you would need 1 whole chicken. Take the chicken and just add it in the onions and stir it well. Okay, so just keep on cooking it for some time on medium to high flame. Keep on cooking until the chicken changes its color. Now we will make a special paste for chicken korma, which includes cashew nuts, sesame seeds, and desiccated coconut. So you can add the substitute of sesame seeds, which is almonds if you want. Add all these ingredients in 1 cup of full-fat whole milk and then just grind it. The quantity is 4 tablespoons of each of them. And also make sure that you have soaked the cashew nuts in hot water for some time, maybe half to 1 hour before grinding it. And then you need to add some spices in it, which includes 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. I didn't add the white pepper, so you can add the white pepper if you have it instead of the black one. Now you need to add 1 cup of whole full-fat yogurt. Keep adding it and stirring it well. Now we will just let the chicken cook in the yogurt for 6 to 7 minutes and we will cover the lid. So now after 8 minutes we are opening it and seeing it how our chicken turns out. Okay, now it is the time to add the paste we made. Just add it and keep on stirring it for some time and mix it well. Now it is time to add some green chilies in it, so just cut 3 to 4 or 5 green chilies and put it in the chicken. You can also add red chilies if you have. I didn't have, so I didn't add it. So after adding the chilies, just let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium to low flame and just cover it. Now you need 1 cup of whole full-fat cream. So after letting it cook for 10 minutes, we will uncover the lid and stir the chicken. Now we will add the full-fat cream in it and just mix it well. Okay, now we will make 1 more special spice, which is used especially in white chicken korma. You need mace 1 small piece, 2 to 3 cardamoms, and 1/4 piece of nutmeg. So now just make fine powder of all these ingredients and mix it well in the chicken. Now after cooking it for some time, you can add water if you feel that the consistency is, a bit thick. So you can just add the water according to your desired consistency and cover the lid and let it cook for some time, and then just uncover it and voila, your chicken korma is ready. And now it is the time to serve it. So thank you so much guys for watching the recipe, and I hope you like it. Please do try it and let me know in the comments section. And please do like, subscribe and share my videos. Take care. Bye.